Hello, welcome to this channel. It's great to have you here. This is where you come for the best and latest in easy-to-understand English stories. Our mission is to help you improve your English one story at a time. So make sure to subscribe so that you never miss out on our new releases. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. You can also follow us on social media. We've got lots of cool stuff there too. Now let's get started with today's story. There was once a young man who lived in a small village. He wanted to be an actor and move to the big city. But his mother insisted he finish high school first. "Don't worry," said the boy. "I'll finish high school and then I'm going to be famous." The boy did well in school, especially in English class. He loved English. In fact, he even dreamed in English. But when it was time for exams, he studied hard and performed well. He graduated from high school and soon after left for the big city. He found an apartment near the theater and began taking acting lessons. He studied hard and hoped for the best, but he didn't get any roles. Months passed by, and the boy had very little money. He called his mother. "Mom, I don't have enough money for food. Can you send me some?" "Of course," she replied. "But why don't you get a part-time job?" "I am looking for a job, Mom, but all I can find are jobs in restaurants." "I don't want to work in a restaurant." "Why not? Everyone has to start somewhere," said his mom. "I guess you're right," he said. "I just feel like my education is wasted working in a restaurant." "It's never wasted," said his mom. "Education is a gift you take with you everywhere you go. You can use it anywhere and anytime. Even if you work in a restaurant, you still need to use your brain. And that's the most important thing. Never forget that your education is a gift of life." The boy thought about what his mother had said. Then he went out to look for a job. This time he wasn't picky. He wanted to work anywhere. Finally, he found a job waiting tables in a small Italian restaurant. At first it was difficult. He tripped over his own feet, knocked over trays of food, and spilled coffee on customers. But he tried his best. He apologized when he made mistakes, worked extra hours, and helped his colleagues whenever he could. People appreciated his effort, and the manager gave him more responsibilities. He became an important part of the team and felt good about himself. One day, a famous director entered the restaurant. He was in town to prepare for the filming of a new movie. The director saw the young man and was impressed with his energy and kindness. "Excuse me," said the director. "I'd like to ask you a few questions." The young man looked up from his work and replied, "Sure. What's your name?" "My name is Alex." "Alex, I'm a film director. I'm looking for a young actor to play the lead role in my new movie. Would you like to be in my movie?" "Really? Are you serious?" "Yes, I am. Do you know how to act?" "Not really, but I'm a fast learner." The director smiled and said, "Good. I like your energy. Come to the studio tomorrow morning at 9. "Thank you. Thank you so much." After they said goodbye, Alex couldn't believe what had happened. Was this the chance he had been waiting for? He couldn't wait to tell his mom. The next day, Alex arrived at the studio early. He was very nervous. He sat in the reception area and waited. Soon the director approached him. "Alex, I see you have arrived." "Yes, sir. I'm ready for the part." "Great. Let's go to my office." The director explained the character Alex would play. He told him about the story and the other actors. Then he asked Alex if he had any questions. "Actually, yes, I do." "How long will filming take?" "About 6 months." 6 months? "Oh, I'm sorry, but I can't leave my job. I need to earn money." "Don't worry. You can keep your job. We'll film at night and on weekends. Does that work for you?" "Yes, it does." "Thank you." "Good. Now we're all set." For the next 6 months, Alex worked as an actor and a waiter. It was exhausting, but he was so happy. He met many interesting people, learned a lot about acting, and made a few good friends. Most importantly, he never forgot his mother's words. She was right. His education was a gift of life. He used it every day. When he talked to customers, he used his knowledge of languages and culture. When he acted, he used his imagination and creativity. And when he worked at the film studio, he used his intelligence and common sense. Alex realized that learning is a lifelong journey. No matter what you do, you always need to learn new things. But the most important thing is to enjoy the process and appreciate the gift of life. So now I'd like to ask you a few questions about the story. Write your answers in the comments below. Number 1. Why did the boy want to move to the big city? Number 2. What kind of jobs did he try to find? Number 3. What did Alex's mother mean when she said that education is a gift of life? And number 4. How did Alex feel about his job as an actor and a waiter? We've reached the end of another exciting story. I hope you enjoyed listening to it as much as I enjoyed preparing it for you. Remember to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. If you've got any feedback or ideas for us, just drop them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. I love this player. This player is amazing. It helps me to relax, to reduce my stress and anxiety levels, and also to sleep better. Unlike other meditation apps, it offers a variety of meditations and also allows you to listen to audios in different categories, such as motivation, self-development, and psychology. Headspace is guided by experienced psychologists and meditation teachers. The meditations are designed to help you relax, focus, and be more productive in your daily life. Whether you're looking to meditate for stress reduction, anxiety management, or simply to improve your overall well-being, Headspace has something for everyone. I've personally tried many meditation apps, and Headspace is by far the best. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.